Nerf In-Sports Flag Football Set. The Nerf In-Sports Flag Football Set is aimed at younger kids more than some of the other flag football sets, which are made for both adults and kids. It does not come with belts for the flags to attach to, but rather has clip-on flags that attach to your own belt, shirt, or the waistband of your pants. Since there are only 12 belts in total, this kit is made to play with 2 flags per belt, 1 on each hip. With that, it is perfect for the truly beginner-level player. More experienced players will want a belt and not just an attachable flag. This set is probably not one that would be used in an organized youth league. The biggest difference from many of the other sets reviewed here is that this one comes with its own all-weather football. The positive points about the ball are its durability, with a plastic coating over the usual Nerf sponge, that it plays as well on asphalt as it does on grass, and that it has excellent flight and spiral capabilities.